thought the Range Rover Evoque convertible was a half-baked terror. Delicate rotors haven't precisely set heartbeats hustling in fan quarters, nor deals graphs land, yet Volkswagen isn't deflected. It's affirmed a cabriolet rendition of its new T-Roc hybrid. Due to be propelled in summer 2020, Wolfsburg has affirmed the new VW T-Roc cabriolet, which will be worked in its Osnabrück manufacturing plant in Austria. It's a similar industrial facility that produces the VW Tiguan and Porsche 718 Cayman, and there had been questions checks over its staffing levels. Volkswagen's board has now declared it's contributing more than €80 million, £70 million, in the office to set it up for new T-Roc drop top.